Hi guys, in this video we're going to be taking a look at how to create a post and some pages. So to create a page, we hover over to the dashboard area and down to the pages section, and we'll click on add new to add a new page. Okay, so we have the option of adding pages in Elementor as well as through the WordPress editor. And for this, I'm going to do one in WordPress editor. And let's just say we're adding an about page. About us. And so you just type in some data. I'm just going to pull something from somewhere else. And we'll input that in there. And to add that, we just hit publish, publish. And we can go ahead and view our page to see what that looks like. And so that's what our About Us page looks like. And this is the About Us page that was ever there. It's not the one that we just created. Okay. So okay, let's go back. Now let's look at all pages, and you can see this is the About Us page that was ever there when we installed the Neve theme, and it was created in Elementor. And then this would be the one that we just created. Now let's have a look at this one that was created in Elementor and see. You'll see how the changes that we can make in there. Okay, so this is the installed About Us page, and as you can see, some data is already in there, and we can duplicate. As I said in the previous video, we can right click, duplicate column, or delete. We could change up information. And so once we hit update or so, it will take effect. We could delete sections in a column, like here. We could go ahead and delete that little section right there, or we could remove an entire column, just like that. We could add more or remove. We could add something here, whatever we feel like adding. Let's say we feel like adding a video, we could do that right there. And so that's how you take care of an about page in Elementor. And once you upload it, once you update it, it will take effect. Okay. So that is how you take care of that about page. Okay, now let's look at adding a post. Let's check out the post, and same thing as with the adding a new page, you click the add new button. And so what I'm gonna do is I am going to duplicate a post. I'm just going to copy a post for you, showing you exactly, look at a post copy and show you exactly what is what. Okay, so this is your title up here and your content. So if we come over here and we add new, test post, that would be our title. And so let me get some data. Okay, so here we'd have we'd have blocks, right? And so you could say let's do are we doing a paragraph, or we could do a heading, right? So we could go and say let's do a heading, and a heading would say introduction. Okay, and then in here we'd add a paragraph. Okay, now I did this like this for a reason. I wanted to show you that you could move these, switch places with these. So you could move this down to go underneath. So now you see that that's there, or you could move it so up or down. You could always move content around once it's created. And so that's what the post would look like. Now in here, remember we talked about the Yoast SEO plugin. This is where all that data comes from. You put information in here to make your website or your post easily discoverable by Google or any search engines. And so this is what they'd see when they type when they type a query in Google and you should pull up. This is what they will see. They'll see your title and your site name or site title, and then if you provide information in here, it would show up right here. So that's what that would look like. And once you've created your post, then you'd select your category, you'd add a category. So let's say your category is tester. And so once you publish your category, your post would go under the category of tester. So you wouldn't find it under pet care or pets world or anything like that. You just find it under the category tester. You could also add tags, add image. You could select a featured image by going here and just pulling up anything. Pulling up a relevant one, not just anything. You could add excerpt where you show a little bit of information. So okay, and then we could hit you could, if there's a post that you want to stay at the top of your blog, you could always do it, select it right here. You could always make that right there, and then you hit publish, and once you hit publish, that should be among your post. So let's have a look at that, and there you go. That's the image that you selected. There's your title and your content right there. Okay, so that is what that looks like. You could, yeah. Okay, so that's how you create posts and pages.